Good afternoon, everybody. How are you? Dimitri here from Pure Motivation Fitness, and I'm going to explain to you the difference between a weight gain protein shake and a weight loss protein shake. Now, first things first, what is a protein shake? A protein shake is a meal replacement that you have typically after a workout to replenish 3 items. 1, protein in the form of amino acids that you've broken down from your workout. 2, carbohydrates in the form of energy that you've excreted through the workout. And 3, to put some healthy fats back into your diet. Now, after a workout, your body can't really digest a meal per se because your body's trying to bring all the blood to the midsection to break it down, to digest the food, and then take the nutrients out. So the best thing to do is to make a protein shake when you're done. What are the ingredients? 1, I'm going to put a cup of water into each drink. Now, I just finished my workout and I'm going to have a weight gain shake because I'm trying to gain weight. That's right. I'm one of those people who have a tough time gaining weight. So what's the first thing you want to do is you want to put protein powder in. Now, some people say, what kind of protein powder? Casein, whey protein powder, vegan protein powder. You know what? Whatever doesn't upset your stomach is going to be fine. I'm going to go with 2 scoops because for my goal, I'm looking to have about 1.5 to 1.6 grams of protein per pound of body weight. For the average person, 1 scoop will be fine. So I'm going to put 1 scoop over here. Okay, so protein is the first ingredient. Second, we're going to be adding carbohydrates. Now this is where the 2 differ. I'm going to go in and add oatmeal, and I'm going to add a half a cup of oats, which almost is like about a slice of bread. If you're looking to gain weight and you're not putting oatmeal into your shakes, you're not going to gain weight. So there's about 2 half-cup portions. We almost got a cup of oats in here. I'm going to throw in another 3/4 cup of fruit because my goal is to put on as much weight as possible. Because of my ectomorphic frame, my body will burn it off. Now, for the person that's just finished a workout, I would say go with a half a cup of fruit. Now, try to stick with fruits that have skin on them. Anyone from the berry family, apple, pear, peaches, nectarine, apricot, because the skin on the fruit is going to slow down the digestion and it's more of a low glycemic fruit. So there's half a cup of fruit. I'm going to put it in here. If this was your morning shake and you're looking to lose weight, 10, 20, 15 pounds, you do not need any carbohydrate in your shake. What you would do is substitute it with vegetables and some healthy fats. If it's after your workout, you put the fruit in there. So after a workout, I'm going to put a half a cup of fruit compared to my 3/4 cup and my cup of oats. I'm going to go with some peanut butter powder. Now you can typically buy these in any store. If you don't got peanut butter powder and you want to add regular peanut butter, that's fine as well. Obviously, the more natural, the better. And then you add your greens in there because we all know that if you want to get big arms like Popeye, you got to eat lots of spinach. So spinach, kale. My wife loves to add cucumbers. She'll put carrots inside, whatever kind of vegetables you can find. Okay, there you go. You want to throw some ice in there. Now, remember, for someone that's looking to gain weight, the goal is to supply your body with constant fuel throughout the day so you're not hungry and you're not breaking down muscle tissue. Okay? There's my weight gainer. Here's my weight loss shake. I'm going to blend them up and voila. Okay, watch how beautiful this is going to look. Get a nice little Vitamix going. Now, if you're watching, you're saying, I'm confused. Do I have fruits in my shake if I'm trying to lose weight at nighttime, or do I omit it? The 2 times of the day that are best for you to have fruits is going to be after a workout, whether it's morning or evening, or if it's going to be at lunchtime. 2 best times to have fruit in your shake. Get a nice close-up on that. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Okay? Beautiful. Weight loss shake right now. I'm going to put it right here. We're going to make this shake for our lovely new client who's sitting down. She just finished her workout. She's getting hungry, right? She's getting hungry. So there you have it, folks. You're making a protein shake. You want to know what to have in your shake. The two things that you want to make sure that you change are going to be your carbohydrate serving. If you're looking for weight loss, half a cup of blueberries, strawberries, any type of fruit and skin on is going to be the best after your workout. If you're having a protein shake for breakfast, you're trying to lose weight, you do not need any fruit, any oatmeal. Lots of vegetables, water, some peanut butter or some almond milk, and your protein powder. That's it, that's all. Hope you enjoyed this tip. Share it with any friends or family you know that may need some help. And remember, when it comes to health and fitness, attitude is everything. Take care for now.